I've been at Veriha Trucking for 5.5 years. I would say my career transition has been from technician to director of maintenance. My team members and our equipment is what I'm most passionate about. They provide a service that is detrimental to this company, and I want to see them grow, and I feel I have a direct effect on that. The biggest misconception of me, I think, is people think I'm a pushover, which I don't feel I am. I am maybe soft in a way and passionate, but when I want things done, I expect them to be done. So I would say being a pushover would be a big misconception. I'm appreciative of being a leader with Veriha Trucking. I've known the Veriha family for many years, and being that it's family owned and family oriented, it's nice to come to work and know that you're appreciated the way I feel everyone is treated here. I feel everyone is treated with respect, and every employee within the company is appreciated by ownership as well as our lead team.